I hit the snooze at least 5 times. Alarm set to like 9 times. And every time my iPhone alarm go off, my heart stops. I check the watch and check the clock. Goddamn, time flies. Check Twitter and Instagram timelines. A bunch of happy hashtags.
Okay, babe, so I just got to the gym. Ignore my leftover makeup. I literally took a nap and forgot to fucking wash my face. And now it's like 3:30 in the morning. So I'm here doing the video that was requested so much. It's not gonna literally be me teaching you guys how to do these moves. I'm just gonna show you my go-to dance moves. Some of the ones I can do in here because I'm like, I don't know, it's not a strip club setting, so it's hard to get in the vibe. So I'm just gonna show you my go-to moves. I literally tried to do like a whole set on stage at Zach's, and it ended up me and this fucking manager getting into an argument. Long story short, but I'm gonna do a story time on that, but I'm here at the gym doing it. So let's just fucking get into it. Okay, so officially, my camera just died, so I switched to my iPhone because we're getting this fucking video out of the way today. To start off, my feet are ashy, my legs haven't been shaved, so see any of that, I'm sorry. And to start it off, we're just gonna start with, I don't know, what I think is like one of my easiest moves. It doesn't hurt my legs. It's kind of just more muscle memory than anything else. It's like my leg clapping move. I'll do it like standing up and then like the downwards one. But I'll show you like how I do it now and then how I did it when I first started, which is like a beginner's way of doing it. But yes, let's just get into it. So now I'm gonna show you like my beginner way of doing this, and I wanted to show my feet in this because like your feet help you out when you first start learning this move until you like get the muscle memory in your thighs. So okay, I have to remember. So you basically have to stand on your tippy toes and like do the whole. I can't even do it that way, but like you use your balance and stand on your tippy toes and your heels, and like Dorothy your way home. It's definitely a lot less flattering, but it still works and makes your butt clap. I honestly started out that way. It took a long time for the muscle memory in my thighs to know which muscles to twist and turn the right way. But yes, so I'll do like both one more time. So this is my way. I feel like it's literally honestly easier to do it with your feet, but like the muscle memory is the hard part. Since we're already on the fucking floor, so this move, but backwards, upside down, this one takes more core strength than I ever thought it did. Like a lot of my friends, like we were like drunk one night, I feel like I've told this story, in Providence trying to do this, and none of my friends could do it, and I'm just like, what do you mean? Like, it's my favorite thing to do. I did it like on accident. But yeah, so I'll show you front way so you can actually see my butt move, and then sideways so you can see like my body position, I guess. And now a nice easy transition on accident, like just over here being a stripper, forgetting I'm at the gym. So that was that one, but I'll show you it sideways. That's what I was like thinking, what I need to go sideways. And also when I transition out of that, I like go like this, and then move up a little bit. normally I don't do that. And then I just like fall back like that. So that's like another transition out of that one. Okay, so while we're on the floor, so my floor twerking, like I honestly just have a butt. Like I couldn't twerk, like literally I remember specifically being on the floor with my horrible abusive ex's mom. Like she's teaching me how to twerk. Like I couldn't dance when I first started. I just grew into my butt, like found the rhythm of my butt, and I'm like fucking out of breath. A lot of it was just more of like finding my own dance style within everything that I've learned through watching other girls dance, like practicing myself. So I don't know. Don't see my butt and think your butt can do that, but don't think your butt can't do it because it's not my butt. Just go at your own pace. But we're gonna start it off backwards and I'll do it sideways. Let me see if I can throw any tips for that one. It's literally just like bouncing your butt up and down, like you're riding a dick, kind of. Well, basically, like, so if the penis was here, you're just like that, you know? But you just literally, just that motion, just faster, I guess. That's basically, because you can take it and like do it higher, lower. Either way, it's just literally bouncing this part of your body up and down. Let's go up and do some standing twerks. Oh, actually I lied. Okay, so I get a lot of questions. How do I transition from being standing up to like down on the floor? You guys, I'm sweating. So how I usually transition, depending on where I'm at, what I'm doing, a lot of the times I like to do this like aerobic, like sprawl out. So I definitely like check the traction on the stage, make sure I'm not gonna slip from underneath myself. But I usually like, watch. That wasn't a good one. I don't bend down. I don't trust myself right now. So that's how I usually transition down to the floor. I don't know why I do it that way, I just like it. It like gives me the inertia to go down and do something crazy. But yes, okay, so now we're gonna go up and do like normal up twerking, like when you're standing up. Alright, so like same with the butt, the overall motion is just up, down, like. I'm sweating. Okay, so like the ending I just did with like the sexual like caressing of my butt / vagina. Like other moves like that, if you can't do the twerking, if you're working your way up there, try to like transition or like pass the time on stage. It's just like stuff like this. Or like play with your underwear in a way like, I don't know, sensual dancing. Like you don't have to do all the extra, but you still have to make it sexy. So just do slower, like, ooh, just look at my body. Ooh, ooh. like simple dances like this. Okay, so we had like a new girl who wasn't even new. Like she apparently danced before. She just got away. Like some clubs allow you not to dance on stage. You just have to pay them. So apparently that's what she's done her whole dance career. And she's like never danced on stage, so she was wicked nervous. And we were all trying to like show her dance moves, and we was like, oh, if you can't do like twerking, she had like huge butt, like she should have been able to twerk. Just do sensual dances. Tell me why she came back in with the idea of just doing like strawberries and whipped cream, and I'm just like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I didn't teach you that. Wasn't part of my routine. So definitely don't be afraid of like just sticking with the sensual side, which is like slow and steady, like just sexy positions. Like, hey, look at me. I see girls get away with that all the time. So I'm like in the middle of trying to take off my shoes before someone comes in for an early workout and just see me running around like a stripper. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys like, I don't know, I really can't get any more specific than that. I didn't like learn my moves from like a dance instructor to be able to be like, move the hip inflexor out, you know? I don't know what to say in a way that like, I didn't just say it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I really actually had fun doing it. It kind of gave me a lot of anxiety because I had to do it at the gym. And the fact that everything at the fucking club happened was like too much. But I actually like enjoyed showing you guys the moves I do at the club. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned something. Let me know if you guys try anything. Definitely tag me in on freaking Instagram. If you do try something, take a video so I can see it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Swerve. I'm in too deep. I can't float. You don't really love me. I can't go. We can dance and dance the rain underneath rainbow.